In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications for Snapchat Spotlight. By the end, your phone will stop buzzing for Spotlight activity so you can use Snapchat without constant distractions. First, open Snapchat. On an iPhone, iPad, or Android, look for the yellow icon with the white ghost on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should land on the camera screen with the shutter button in the bottom center and icons along the top. If Snapchat asks for permission to use the camera or send notifications, you can respond, and then you will still be on the main camera view. Now tap your profile Bitmoji in the top left corner. On some accounts, this might show your story ring or just your profile silhouette, but it is always in that same top left spot. After you tap it, the screen changes to your profile page, where you see your Snap code, your username, and your Snap score, along with options like My Stories and Spotlight and Snap Map. Next up, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear and sits beside any other profile tools at the top. When you tap it, Snapchat opens a long settings list that you can scroll. You should now see sections like My Account, Additional Services, Privacy, and many other options stacked vertically in plain text. From there, tap Notifications. This option is usually near the top of the list, inside the My Account section. Once you tap it, you move into the notification screen for Snapchat. Here you will see several checkboxes or toggles for different types of alerts, such as stories from friends, mentions, or creative tools. This page controls what Snapchat is allowed to notify you about without changing anything in your phone level settings. At this point, find and turn off Post to Spotlight and Snap Map, or Spotlight and Snap Map submissions, depending on what your app shows. On some versions, you will see two separate items. On others, it is combined into one line, but the wording will always mention Spotlight and Snap Map. Tap the checkbox or switch next to it so it is no longer highlighted or enabled. The change takes effect immediately, so Snapchat will stop sending you notifications when your snaps are posted to Spotlight or Snap Map. If you post to Spotlight, also turn off comments to stop notifications about comments on your Spotlight posts. Look for the comments option in the same notifications list and tap to remove the check or switch it off. When this is disabled, you will not get alerts every time someone comments on your Spotlight snaps, but the comments will still appear inside the app if you open your posts. You have now gone into Snapchat settings and turned off Spotlight posting and comment notifications so Spotlight activity stays quiet. If this helped you clean up your Snapchat alerts, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Snapchat fixes.